Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to program a new key for your GM car without using any programmers to do the procedure. First, you want to get your brand new key. You want to get it cut at a hardware store or a locksmith. Okay, I just got a new unprogrammed key cut. I want to test it out. It works. That's a good sign. Now, in your case, if you don't have access to a cutting machine, this could still be done without a programmer and without a cutting machine. And the way you do that is you take your old key, okay, and you want to tap this pin out and remove the blade. And you want to do the same thing for the new key that's unprogrammed. You'll take the blade, you put it in the ignition, and you want to turn it with the original key for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you want to turn it off and take the unprogrammed key that has no blade, use the original one that you have cut. The original one that's already cut and that works for your car. And you just turn it with the new unprogrammed key and it should be able to program it. Once that's done, you take the old blade and put it on the new body or the new remote that you have. That way you could get this procedure done without a cutting machine and without a programmer by using the old blade. Now, some of you might say, well, why not replace the shell? Yes, you can replace the shell, but in some cases, the actual button on the motherboard is damaged. That's where the new key comes in place. And I don't know if you ever tried to replace one of these, but it's not an easy procedure. Okay, so now I will demonstrate to you the programming procedure. So we'll take the old key, turn on the ignition, wait for the security light to go off. Here you go, it went off. Now, we'll take the old key out of the ignition and we'll put the new key in the ignition and turn it and wait for that security light to turn off. There you go. Now it turned off. Let's test it out. Just like that. Programming only takes 5 seconds. There you go. Key works, remote works, and now we have all our buttons working. So in your case, no cutting machine, no programmer. You want to take both of the blades out off the new and the old. Use the original blade in the ignition, turn it, wait for 5 seconds, remove the fob, the old fob, and put the new fob into that blade that's already going to be here, and then turn it on for 5 seconds. Don't try to start, just wait for 5 seconds until the security light turns off. Remove it, and your new key fob should be programmed, and just reattach the blade to the new one with the pin. And that's it. If you like this video, if this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you and have a good day.